Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here's a quick video today about something you usually don't think about until it gives you trouble. It's the car battery. So I drive a 2021 Subaru Crosstrek Outdoors, and today I'm going to replace the stock battery with an AGM battery that I picked up from Costco. I'll show you how I'm swapping it and why I chose to upgrade. So I'm not waiting for my battery to die before changing it. I actually have a couple of solid reasons for upgrading. So first off, I use a remote starter app and it automatically cuts off when the battery drops below a certain voltage. And that's been happening a bit more often lately. And also I've got a dash cam running in continuous mode even when the car is off. So that's drawing a lot of power from the battery all the time. And so between that, Canadian winters and mostly short trips, I just need a battery that I can rely on. So I went with the Energizer Group 35 AGM battery from Costco. It's got 650 cold cranking amps. It should fit the Crosstrek perfectly. And also it comes with a 60-month or 5-year replacement warranty. And so I picked this up for 229.99 Canadian dollars. So AGM stands for Absorbent Glass Mat. It's built a bit differently inside than regular batteries, designed to handle heavier electrical loads, and it also provides better performance. The battery is also heavier than the original one. Just to be clear, you don't have to go with this exact one. There are other AGM brands and models out there that'll work for your car or truck, as long as they meet your vehicle's specs. Okay, so let's get this thing swapped. First, with the 10 millimeter socket, disconnect the negative terminal, then the positive. Loosen and remove the hold down bracket. Take out the old battery. Clean up the area if you need to. Put in the new battery. Secure the bracket again. Reconnect the positive, then the negative. So here's a quick tip. Always disconnect the negative terminal first and then the positive. And when installing the new battery, reverse it. So positive first and then the negative. That's because the negative terminal is grounded to the car's metal body. If your tool touches the metal while removing the positive terminal first, it could spark or short. So doing it in this order helps avoid that. And the other thing is, if you don't want to lose your clock, radio presets, or other settings, you could invest in a memory saver tool. They usually cost around 20 to 30 bucks, and you can plug that into your OBD port or lighter socket to keep the power flowing to your electronics during the battery swap. So here's why the AGM battery is a solid upgrade. It performs better in cold weather. It charges faster. It handles short trips and stop and go traffics much better. Also, it tolerates deep discharges and recovers really well. And also, it is resistant to vibrations. It's great for cars with accessories like remote stars or dash cams running while the engine's off. These batteries are built to handle the kind of demands that newer cars put on their batteries. And honestly, this upgrade isn't just for the Crosstrek. If you drive any car or truck with a remote start or dash cam, or you have a start stop system, or if you even mostly do short drives, an AGM battery is worth considering. It does cost a little bit more than the regular battery, but for the added performance and the peace of mind, it's worth the extra investment. So here's my quick battery upgrade. Not the most exciting mod, but definitely a smart one. I get more peace of mind, especially knowing that my dash cam and my remote starter aren't going to be running into battery issues anytime soon. And if you're in a similar situation, an AGM battery is absolutely worth looking into. So if this video helped you out, hit the thumbs up. Got any questions, or did you already make a switch to the AGM batteries? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.